6 stitch braids for kids versus adults. Which style fits you? Whether you're a mom styling your daughter before school or a grown woman looking for a sleek, protective style that turns heads, these 6 stitch braids look are perfect for all ages. But here's the thing, not every braid style fits every stage of life. Some kids' braid styles are playful and lightweight. Some adult stitch braids are polished and powerful. And some styles, they work beautifully for both. In today's video, I'm breaking down 6 stitch braid looks and explaining exactly who they're best for. If you love braids, easy hairstyles, and low maintenance protective styles, this video is for you. Let's get into it. What are stitch braids? Stitch braids are a braiding technique where the stylist uses a comb and sometimes edge control or braiding gel to create clean, defined, stitch-like sections along the scalp. They're also one of the most requested braid styles Black women ask for in salons today. And the best part? Stitch braids work on both long hair and hairstyles for short hair. The 6 style guide breakdown. 6 straight back stitch braids. This is the classic. 6 straight back stitch braids going directly from the hairline to the nape. Clean, symmetrical, timeless. Best for kids, adults, everyone. For kids, this is one of the most practical kids braid ideas. It's neat for school, easy to maintain, and doesn't feel heavy. For adults, it gives that clean, confident look that works at the gym, at work, or even dressed up with accessories. It's one of the most universal protective styles out there. If you're new to this look, it's also the easiest style to follow in a stitch braids tutorial. 2. Stitch braids with bun. Now this one elevates things instantly. Instead of braiding straight back and leaving it down, the braids are gathered into a bun, either high or low. Best for kids at school, professional adults, moms who want neat and tidy. For children, this keeps hair secured and away from the face during play. For adults, stitch braids with bun give sophisticated energy. It works beautifully for work settings, church, or formal events. This is one of the most searched braid styles Black women look for when they want something sleek but not too flashy. 3. Stitch braids with heart design. Now we're getting creative. This style incorporates a heart-shaped part or braided heart into the design. Best for younger kids, teens, bold adults. This is one of the most popular braid styles for girls right now. Kids absolutely love it because it feels fun and expressive. It's one of those kids braid styles that crossed over into adult fashion. If you love expressive natural hair braids, this one's for you. 4. Half up, half down stitch braids. This is where style meets versatility. The front section is braided and pulled up into a ponytail or bun, while the back braids hang down. Best for teens, adults, social events. This is one of the most trending adult stitch braids looks right now. It gives you movement while still protecting your natural hair. It's perfect for brunch, date nights, or content creation. For older teens, it's stylish without being too mature. 5. Zig-Zag part stitch braids. Instead of straight parts, this style uses creative zigzag parting between braids. Best for younger kids, creative adults, anyone who loves standout styles. This is one of the most requested kids braid ideas because it feels playful. But for adults, it gives artistic energy. It's especially popular among women who want their protective styles to reflect personality. And because the braids themselves are still structured, it keeps the scalp neat and defined. 6. Stitch braids into ponytail. This one is a fan favorite. The braids are directed upward or backward into a sleek ponytail. Best for active kids, sporty adults, gym-ready styles. For kids, it keeps hair controlled during sports and recess. Now I want to hear from you. Are you team playful kids braid styles? Or are you rocking grown, sleek adult stitch braids? Drop it in the comments.